Good morning. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I am about to leave for work, but I came out here so I could harvest some cucumbers because I'm going to be making pickles this week, today after work in fact, and it's best to pick cucumbers in the morning so that they don't get all dried out. So I thought I would bring y'all out here with me. So I have a lot of cucumbers. There's two. There's one. There's one back in there I see turning yellow. Got one hanging there. A couple there. Some people prefer to can things in big batches. Got one over here. But I'm okay with working in small batches because I have to do things after work. So we do things when we have time. There's a big one right there. There's no rule book that says you have to make 50 jars of pickles at one time. I'm okay with making 4 or 5 jars of pickles. Just taking my scissors and cutting these off. Oops. And once I have harvested all of these, I'm going to put them in an ice bath so they'll be ready to pickle when I get home from work. Some of them like to hide up under these leaves, so you have to check real well to get the hidden ones. I'm gonna leave this one and that one there and some of the smaller ones. I'm not taking all of the cucumbers at one time, just taking the ones that are a good size. Oh, look, I have one in here. Looks like I have one more right there. I'm growing my cucumbers on flower easels, the kind you might see at a cemetery. I got them for free and the cucumbers just grow right up them. I have some upside down tomato cages here for some of the extras that are coming out. Same on this side. Upside down tomato cage. They just wrap themselves around it. So that's going to be my harvest for today for cucumbers. It's a pretty good harvest. How's your garden going? Y'all have a good day.